Hi everyone. Now in last video we have studied about what is Sanskritization, its introduction and definition. In this video we will study about what are the motivating factors or reasons for Sanskritization. Okay. So in previous video we have discussed that Sanskritization is a process which has evolved from the process of Brahminization. It is the upward mobility of the lower caste people by imitating the culture, ideology, language, way of living of upper caste in order to gain the social equality in the society by treating them as a reference group. Okay, so what are the motivating factors? What are the reasons which are forcing the process of Sanskritization? In ancient or medieval period, Hindu society has been stratified by caste system which was very rigid with its imperative structure and lead to social disintegration between various groups. So in ancient and medieval period, what was happening, that the social stratification system was there. That means the upper strata was named as Brahmin, then Kshatriya, then Vaishya, then Shudra, and in lower strata there was untouchables. So these lower strata people were not allowed to enter into the life or into the lifestyle, the social activity of the upper strata. That was the problem, and this structure was very much rigid. Nobody was allowed, no lower caste people was allowed, and this led to the social disintegration. Social disintegration means the integration, the cooperation among the various group was destructed. Okay, it led to the social disintegration between various groups. The second, monopoly of Brahmin as top rankers ओवर सोशल प्रिविलेजेस. सो यहाँ जो ऊपर में जो थे ब्राह्मण लोग, उन लोगों का मोनोपोली था. मोनोपोली इन द सेंस दे वर डोमिनेटिंग all the affairs of the society, all the festivals, all the activity, all the affairs of the society were controlled by the Brahmin class, and they are treated as the superior class, they are treated as the top rankers. They are enjoying all the social privileges, all the social opportunity, they are dominating over in all every field. So this was the reason for the process of Sanskritization, and the lower strata people were continuously trying for acquiring the same. Then fourth point, that enjoyment of economic and political power was concentrated in higher strata. Then the economic power, the controlling of the economic resources, as well as the political power, the political affairs, the rule of the country was also controlled by the higher strata people. And lower strata people in caste hierarchy, और जो लोअर स्ट्रेटा पीपल कास्ट हायरार्की में जो लोअर स्ट्रेटा पीपल थे, उन लोगों को कोई भी सोशल प्रिविलेजेस दिया नहीं जाता. इवन इतना ऐसे सिचुएशन था, अनटचेबल्स प्रैक्टिसेस. डेट मीन्स उन लोगों को कोई भी चीज़, जैसे कि ब्राह्मण लोगों का कोई भी फेस्टिवल में उनको एंटर करने का, इवन वो लोग जब चलेंगे तो अनटचेबल्स लोगों को एक मतलब स्टिक लेके जाना पड़ता था कि वो लोग आ रहे हैं, साउंड करेंगे, सो डेट ब्राह्मण लोग उतना टाइम निकलेंगे नहीं. उनका शेडो मतलब वो लोगों को बर्दाश्त नहीं था. तो इतना ज़्यादा ख़राब सिचुएशन था ये लोअर स्ट्रेटा पीपलों को. उन लोगों को सब एवरी टाइप ऑफ सोशल प्रिविलेज से डिनाई किया जाता था. डेट मीन्स उनको अलाउ नहीं किया जाता था. ओके, देन डेट मीन्स मेन रीजन्स. Here we can conclude that the main reasons that social opportunity, economic position and political privileges was determined by the caste factor. So all type of opportunity, all type of facility, all type of privileges were only enjoyed by the upper strata people, and lower strata people were denied to enjoy all of them. So the lower strata people were always trying to follow or always trying to build such type of characteristics of the Brahmin class or the upper caste or the top rankers, so that they can be included in the category, in the brackets of the higher strata. Okay, तो प्रॉब्लम था ये कि मतलब ये सारा अपॉर्चुनिटी कौन एंजॉय कर रहा था? जो हायर स्ट्रेटा के पीपल थे वो लोग सारा जो प्रिविलेजेस था, चाहे वो सोशल फील्ड में हो या इकोनॉमिक पॉलिटिकल, सारा डिटरमाइन होता था कास्ट फैक्टर में, और सारा कुछ एंजॉय कौन करते थे? जो हायर स्टेटा पीपल थे, एंड द लोअर स्टेटा डिवार्ड फ्रॉम एंजॉइंग सच टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी और सच टाइप ऑफ प्रिविलेजेस। सो ये तो प्रॉब्लम था, उसका सॉल्यूशन क्या है? सो ओनली वे टू रेज द लोअर कास्ट पोजिशन इज टू अडॉप्ट एंड इमिटेट द कस्टम एंड वे ऑफ लाइफ ऑफ हायर कास्ट. As I said, that as they were exploited, as they were not given the opportunity to intermix with the higher strata, their function, their activity, their festival, they were debarred from such type of privileges. So the only way to raise their lower caste in order to enjoy those activity, those privileges, they started to adopt and imitate the custom and way of living of higher caste, so that they can also be indulged in the bracket of higher castes. And the motivation to rise is relative deprivation, and aim or goal is the इक्वालिटी गेन इन द सोसाइटी. सो यहाँ पे हम नॉट सेल में बोल सकते कि क्यों वो लोग मतलब लोअर स्टेटा पीपल क्यों मतलब हायर कास्ट पीपल को फॉलो कर रहे थे, इन ऑर्डर टू गेन दी सोशल इक्वालिटी. सोशल इक्वालिटी पाने के लिए, जैसे कि हायर स्टेटा पीपल यहाँ के जो ऊपर डोमेन में है वहाँ वो लोग जैसे अपॉर्चुनिटी एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, वो लोअर कास्ट के पीपल भी ऐसे करने के लिए वो लोग सांस्कृताइजेशन प्रोसेस के थ्रू उनका लाइफस्टाइल, लैंग्वेज, कल्चर सारा कुछ को एडॉप्ट करते थे. सो दीज आर द फैक्टर्स विच आर रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द प्रोसेस ऑफ sanskritization. In next video we will study about the factors which are encouraging the process of sanskritization. Okay, thank you so much.